Hi, I'm Deb Sue, Countdown's nutritionist and a New Zealand registered dietitian. I'm here to talk to you about protein. What is protein? There's a lot to talk about protein, but what exactly is protein? Protein is a macronutrient made up of 20 amino acids, all of which are important for your health and aid in the growth and repair of your body's tissues. Your body can produce some protein, but the food that you eat will provide all the essentials. Benefits of protein. Protein is an important part of a balanced diet and your overall health and well-being. It helps to build and repair your muscles, skin and hair. It provides you with energy. It helps keep your immune system strong. It also makes you feel full after a meal. That's why you need to get enough protein each and every day. Are you getting enough protein? Your protein needs are unique and dependent on your health and activity level. The recommended daily intake for an adult man is approximately 64 grams per day. For women, it's 46 grams per day. There are some groups of people that need more protein, such as teenagers to help support growth spurts, pregnant and breastfeeding women to support the growth of their baby, athletes or active people to support muscle gains and function, and older people to help maintain body stores. So, now you know what protein is and how much you need. In our next video, I'll explain how best to get your daily protein intake.